Growing your YouTube subscribers, especially targeting a USA audience, requires a smart mix of content strategy, optimization, and consistency. Here's a clear step-by-step guide to help you grow faster. 1. Choose a profitable niche. Start by selecting a niche that is popular in the USA. Some high-demand niches include horror stories, very viral right now, AI videos and storytelling, finance and side hustles, motivation and self-improvement. Make sure your niche has high CPM, earning potential, and audience interest. 2. Create high-quality content. Focus on quality over quantity. Your videos should have clear audio and engaging visuals. Use storytelling, especially for horror or emotional content. Keep viewers hooked in the first 5-10 seconds. For USA audiences, use English voiceovers and relatable topics. Strong titles and thumbnails. This is the most important part for getting clicks. Use emotional and curiosity-based titles. Example, "He answered a call that wasn't from this world." Create bright, cinematic thumbnails with bold text. Faces, fear, or mystery elements work well for viral content. 4. SEO optimization, very important. Use keywords that USA viewers search for. Add keywords in title, description, and tags. Example keywords: true horror story USA, scary stories real. Write a proper description, at least 2 to 3 paragraphs. Add hashtags like horror stories, your scary stories, your USA, viral video, your YouTube shorts. 5. Upload consistently. Consistency builds growth. Upload 1 long video daily or post 2-3 YouTube shorts. Daily shorts are the fastest way to gain subscribers from the USA. 6. Focus on YouTube shorts, fast growth. Shorts are powerful. Keep videos 15-40 seconds, add captions and fast pacing. Use trending sounds or suspense hooks. Many creators reach 10K subscribers in weeks using shorts. And audience retention strategy. YouTube promotes videos that people watch longer. Avoid boring intros. Use cliffhangers and suspense. Keep editing fast and engaging. The goal, 70% plus watch time. 8. Post at USA timing. Upload when USA audience is active. Best time, 6 p.m., 10 p.m. USA time. In Pakistan, that's around 3 a.m., 7 a.m., 9. Engage with audience. Reply to comments, ask questions in videos. Example, "Would you enter this house?" Comment yes or no. This boosts engagement and ranking. 10. Use social media promotion. Share your videos on TikTok, Facebook groups, Instagram Reels. This brings external traffic, which YouTube loves. 11. Analyze and improve. Use YouTube analytics. Check which videos perform best. Focus on high CTR, click rate, and retention. Repeat what works. Final tip. Growth takes time, but if you stay consistent and follow trends, you can reach 1K subscribers in 1-2 months, 10K plus with viral shorts. If you want, I can also give you viral USA horror video ideas. Thumbnail prompts ready to copy, titles and hashtags. Just tell me.